What's up, YouTube? What's up, folk? What's up, play? What's up? What's up, G? What's up, Code?
I left them post on my Instagram, so you can see there was a turning point. There is no method or diagram. Should you know where I was coming from.
Today's Thursday, August 17th, and I just got a package. Guess what came in the mail today? I just got a package. For those who don't know, no. I think I'm gonna save it. I'll wait to explain what the package is. Guess what's in the package and put it in the comments right now. First person to guess it right. It's a big old package. First person to guess it right, I'm gonna cash app him $20. Yo, say what's up to the YouTube.
Hey, what up, gang? You know what it is, baby? Nah, pouring out for the nah.
Nah.
We been getting cracking. You know we slicking, slacking.
613 in the building, dog.
Yeah,
I'm
man.
on the shit.
Yeah,
You
man.
know.
Hey, what you say? One.com. You know what it is?
One.com. Slim and slack.
Hey, man. Scream for Davo, who is now 91 Problems. Learn about me. You gonna hear my story. Hey, man. Say, man. Hey, it's Dan, man. Hey, he the man with the plan. Come get active.
Yeah, I really got some characters on my team. Like, there's no normal person on the team. Like, no normal people. My chauffeur is taking his sweet time to be driving us back to our apartment. We always flip-flop who drive me or him, so it's him today. We about to slide back to the apartment. My people, it's a joke. I'm going to the apartment by myself. All right, let's go. Okay. All right. So, I have a package. I'm gonna just open it after I figure out where. As you can see, the package is looking crazy. All right, I'm gonna open it from this side because this is the bad side. Now, I'll show you. Is it even cutting, bro? I don't want to cut the valuables. Oh, mama. Ooh. Wow. If you didn't know, I'm a clothing brand owner. I'm a co-owner with my boy Lil Shanny, man. This is his Instagram. This is his TikTok. This is what he look like. And we're both clothing brand owners, and our brand is called New Era of, Neo for short. And every release, we have a name for our collection. This collection is called Renewal. So the full name will be for this collection, New Era of Renewal. You understand? We have 3 colors: black, tan, and gray. Most of these things is already sold. You feel me? This is what they look like. I really don't even feel like opening this because I have to hurry back. I'm gonna tell you guys why in a second. But this is what they look like. Yeah, that's what they look like. Nice joints, oversized tees for the fall, man. Get you one. Website link will be in the description. Instagram link will be in the description. TikTok link will be in the description. Get at your boy. Okay, I was really excited to open the package, but I have to head back. Okay, I got to head back to my football facility. Right now, I'm supposed to be at lunch, but I didn't want nobody to steal my package, you feel me? So I had to run up in this joint and come get it. I have some food in the fridge that I'm going to heat up and drive all the way back and eat and make it to my meetings. Right now, it's like, what time is it? Last time I checked, it was 6:10. It's, 6:14. It's 6:14. I'm going to get my food. I don't really need nothing else. I seen the package. It's looking good. Let's get up out of here, my boy. I'm huffing and puffing and moving fast, and I don't gotta be back till 7. I live 15 minutes away. Let me enjoy this, my food, my Chipotle, and my protein shake. Just finished my food. It's like 6:27. I'm gonna head back. This is my empty apartment, basically. All right. So yeah, we just moved in this joint, but we haven't had time to like do nothing because of training camp. Excuse me, I just burped all in the camera. Yeah, it's blank. We about to get a couch tomorrow. Tomorrow or Sunday. We haven't drilled up the TVs because we want to make sure our couch is in the perfect spot to do that. Like, time to cut off all these lights and get up out of here. Wow, that's so neat. Light switch. I'm so childish. We out. Wow. Look at this room. This is our first time in this place. So as I was coming inside there, some stupid man said, if you let me suck your toes, I will give you a bag of popcorns. I said, how can you do that? That's just so stupid. Oh, yeah, man, these boys about to be mad. I'm about to have my camera on a whole lot, man. We about to go walk through. Just finish the little meeting. This ain't no day in the life, but I might as well keep it going, right? Yeah. Come here.
You are a bad boy.
Try to kick me. I do. So right now we in Team Stretch. This is my partner.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Mike. Follow me on all platforms.
Mike 2 times.
Time is 9:09. Ready to go home.
Yeah.
In the camp.
Yeah.
We out.
Okay, I lied. The vlog's not over. There's still more stuff to be done. Hop in that thing, twin.
Hey, I'm back for part 2, baby. You know what it is, baby. We on the gang.
We on the
here.
gang.
Real KC slime
Real
ball out
KC
here. Really out
slime
here
ball.
getting it.
Fuck it,
You
you
feel
ugly
me?
dude, dummy.
We outside thugging.
Don't ever say that again.
You know what I'm saying?
VA goon, man.
Nah.
Straight crime down. We out.
Hey, I'm from Baltimore, man. We love it here, man. You know where we at, Towson, man.
Dummy,
we
stupid.
here, man. Come play.
Ugly dude,
Come watch
ugly
us
dude.
play. Hey, he worked, but I'm working. I'm D-line, man.
You got
Come see what's
91
up.
problems.
Yeah, 91 problems.
Like I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted, the night is not over. Come out. As I get here, books. I got everybody's shipping labels. I'm going to be giving out a whole lot of handfuls to people in person and selling them the rest of whatever we have. And business partner's about to be here in any second now. Hold on. You trying to get freaky? Chill, bro. Oh, no. Introduce yourself to the vlog, broski.
You already know my name's Shenny. You already have it.
Man, y'all here packaging, man. I forgot. I think it's on video. So we just finished packaging up some orders. Hey. So we got this box of t-shirts to order. Oh, t-shirts to deliver probably tomorrow morning. USPS. USPS opened at 9 a.m. and that's where you'll find me. Yeah, man, that concludes the video. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, man. I'm gonna catch y'all later. Love.
Now look at me, I gone far. They don't know when I run past. More money, more